Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Jill Sanders Angel Bluff is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for those who appreciate timeless elegance and superior craftsmanship, making it a standout piece in any collection. This exquisite item has garnered significant attention for its unique design and the luxurious feel it imparts, promising to elevate your style effortlessly. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or add a subtle touch of sophistication, the Angel Bluff offers a versatile appeal that resonates with discerning tastes. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This tool instantly mattifies your complexion, giving you a shine-free look in seconds. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Use it anytime, anywhere. Perfect for a quick touch-up at home or when you're out and about. Ditch the wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our convenient refill packs. No need to buy a new handle. Achieve a smooth, matte finish effortlessly. It's the secret weapon for banishing shine quickly and effectively. What we like? This tool is perfect for anyone who wants to combat shine throughout the day. Its volcanic stone effectively absorbs oil without disturbing makeup. If you're always on the go and need a quick touch-up, this is the ideal solution for a consistently matte finish. What people say. The scent is a perfect blend of floral and fruity notes, creating a sophisticated and alluring aroma. It has a long-lasting fragrance that stays with you throughout the day, making it ideal for any occasion. The elegant bottle design is a beautiful addition to any vanity, reflecting the luxurious quality of the perfume. Number 4. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Discover the iconic body cream that visibly firms and smooths your skin. Infused with our signature Carosa 62 scent, it leaves your skin feeling irresistibly soft and radiant. Experience the beloved pistachio and salted caramel fragrance that transports you to the beaches of Brazil. It's a scent that truly captures the spirit of summer. Our rich, buttery cream is designed to visibly firm and tone your skin. With consistent use, you'll notice a more sculpted and smooth appearance. Enriched with kapuaka butter, acai oil, and coconut oil, this body cream deeply nourishes and hydrates. It helps to maintain skin's elasticity for a supple feel. Make this luxurious cream a part of your daily ritual. Its fast-absorbing formula melts into the skin, leaving it silky smooth without any greasy residue. Embrace your beautiful skin with this firming body cream. It's the perfect way to feel confident and radiant every day. What we like? Experience a truly indulgent body care routine with this rich cream. It not only helps to visibly firm your skin but also envelopes you in a delightful, signature fragrance. If you're looking for a luxurious treat that leaves your skin feeling soft and smelling amazing, this is the one for you. What people say. The scent is a delicate floral blend with notes of bergamot and jasmine. It has a long-lasting fragrance that stays throughout the day. The bottle design is elegant and sophisticated, making it a beautiful addition to any vanity. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Orbital Sander DCW210B1. Experience enhanced runtime and efficiency with its powerful brushless motor. It's designed to help you get the job done right. Achieve the perfect finish with variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM. You can easily match the speed to your specific application. Its low-profile height allows you to get closer to your work surface. This ensures precise sanding for a professional result every time. Changing sandpaper is a breeze thanks to the replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad. This makes your workflow smoother and faster. Keep your tool working longer with the dust-sealed switch. It protects against dust ingestion, ensuring a longer lifespan for the switch. This cordless orbital sander comes complete with a 2.0 Ah battery and charger. It also includes a convenient storage bag, so you're ready to go. What we like? For the serious DIY or professional, this sander offers exceptional performance. Its brushless motor ensures durability and efficiency, while the variable speed allows for precise control across various applications. If you need a reliable tool that gets you close to your work surface for detailed finishing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The scent is a perfect blend of floral and woody notes, creating a sophisticated and alluring aroma. It has excellent longevity, staying noticeable for several hours without being overpowering. The bottle design is elegant and minimalist, making it a beautiful addition to any vanity. Number 2. Mutter 5-inch Orbital Sander Replacement Pad, 2-pack. This 5-inch hook and loop replacement pad is designed for a universal fit. It features 8 dust holes and 4 screw holes, ensuring compatibility with most sander backing pads. Before purchasing, please verify that your sander has 4 screw holes and check the center-to-center distance, which is approximately 1 to 1/8 inches. This ensures a perfect match for your tool. Crafted from high-quality rubber with a smooth surface, these pads are built to last. They are resistant to breakage and perform exceptionally well on flat surfaces. With a built-in mounting thread, installation is a breeze. You can quickly and easily replace your old pad, saving you valuable time and effort. This package includes 2 5-inch hook and loop pads. Using these replacements will help maintain your sander's performance and effectively extend its operational life. What we like? Keep your sanding projects running smoothly with these replacement pads. They are designed for easy installation and made from quality materials to ensure longevity. If your current sander pad is worn out or you need a reliable backup, these universal pads offer a practical and effective solution. What people say. The scent is a delightful blend of floral and fruity notes, with a hint of vanilla that lingers beautifully. It has excellent longevity, staying noticeable for several hours without needing reapplication. The packaging is elegant and sophisticated, making it a perfect gift or a stylish addition to any vanity. Number 1. Majestic Pure Arabica Coffee Scrub. Unveil smoother, brighter skin with our all-natural body scrub. It's formulated to gently exfoliate and revitalize your complexion. Harness the power of natural ingredients for a deep cleanse. This scrub effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing a healthier glow. Address common skin concerns like stretch marks, acne, and cellulite. It helps to improve the appearance of various skin imperfections. Diminish the look of spider veins, age spots, and varicose veins. Achieve a more even and refined skin tone. Calm and renew your skin, even if you suffer from eczema. Enjoy a soothing and rejuvenating skincare experience. Our formula is crafted with care, using only natural ingredients. It's designed to nourish and protect your skin. What we like? Achieve smoother, revitalized skin with this all-natural coffee scrub. It works to exfoliate and improve the look of various skin concerns. If you're seeking a natural way to enhance your skin's texture and appearance, and enjoy the energizing scent of coffee, this scrub is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. What people say. The scent is a beautiful blend of vanilla and sandalwood, with a hint of citrus that makes it refreshing. It lasts for a good 8 hours on my skin, which is impressive for a floral fragrance. The bottle design is elegant and looks great on my vanity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.